Congratulations. So total, how many followers on YouTube right now?
2,03,000.
2,03,000 on YouTube. And how is it on Facebook and Instagram?
Facebook it is 30,000 and Instagram it is 6.5 thousand.
6,500. Brilliant, brilliant. Congratulations. So again, what Manasa just shared right now, she has been able to achieve 2 lakh followers in about 6.5, 7 months.
Yes.
Okay,
No,
on
no,
YouTube.
no. 4.5 months. I was monetized, and first amount came in 5.5 months,
Five and
which
a
is
half months.
2 lakhs. Yes. Mm.
And 2 lakh subscribers in how many months?
I have started this channel 7 months back.
7 months.
Yeah.
Brilliant, brilliant. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And do you also want to share how's your revenue now? Wow. And how much in last 28 days?
Last 28 days, it is.
2,851. That's more than 2 lakh rupees in the last 28 days. Congratulations, Manasa. Very happy to hear that.
Thank you
Keep
so
rocking.
much.